Scene 1, take 1, Matt's 40. Alex just found this in our closet. It's from the very first video we ever did at our kitchen counter downstairs. We tied Matt's 40. And I don't know, did we buy this specifically?
No, I think it was a hand-me-down.
It was a hand-me-down. We had this sitting around and we thought it would be cute. And now almost 2 years later, we pulled it out for this session and it still had Matt's 40 on it. So welcome to our new studio. It's the same studio. And by studio, I mean guest bedroom in our house, third bedroom. We have made some major updates. It's been really exciting. I'm looking up because we've got stuff hanging from the ceiling in every direction. It's pretty great. Alex has some rails up there so that our equipment can move around the way we need it to, lights and stuff. It's a really cool setup. We want to expand our horizons a little bit over here at She Ties Flies. The relaxing fly tying is not going anywhere. It's our bread and butter. It's what I love to do. Alex loves editing them, right? Okay. So we're going to keep doing those. But we are going to expand our horizons. We want to do more. We want to do some stuff like this where I'm talking right at you and see what you think. We've got some really cool capabilities in here now with like zooming in on the flies, some picture-in-picture or picture next to picture stuff, so that when I'm talking to you about things that I'm doing, you can see up close and personal what those things are, what they look like. Yeah, we kind of want to hear from you. We have some ideas and things that we can do. Definitely want to take some deep dives into materials. It's a subject matter that's near and dear to me as I've sort of grown into fly tying. I think tutorial style videos and showing you some tips and tricks that I've learned and learning from you all. If you have tips and tricks for me is going to be in the mix. I think some Q&A sessions, live Q&A sessions, Alex maybe in front of the cameras is in the realm of possibility. And, you know, we've even discussed some fun videos like going to the dollar store and, you know, letting you guys pick the aisle number that I have to find something to tie with, some fun challenges like that. We have some things in the works also behind the scenes that we're excited to share with you here in a little bit. But what do you want to see from us? Because at the end of the day, we want to provide you value. I don't know. You got anything else? Did I miss something?
No, I think you got it, baby.
That's a wrap. Okay. That's a wrap from the director, producer, editor. Talk to you soon.